You knew where CEOs and CIOs were quietly co-owners of market luxury estate in 2026. Would you stay outside or step in? Hello everyone, Christina here. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina, Melody Group. The 2026 Top Luxury Estate Tour is not a tour. It's a gateway, a 30-day entry into CIO Community of Excellence, where leaders access off-market luxury estate, GV equity, LP equity, and preferred equity opportunities that never touch the public market. Inside the ecosystem, the top 1% move differently. GV equity lays open instantly. LP equity aligns with real operators, not noise. Preferred equity activates without friction. Co-owned luxury real estate becomes normal, not rare. Off-market deal flow becomes predictable, not accidental. The 997 entry is the filter, not the barrier. Filters for identity, discipline, and leaders who operate at CEO/CIO standard. This is where luxury estate intelligence meets execution, where national expansion becomes structured, where private market access becomes your new baseline. 2026 is not the year of waiting, it's the year of entry, alignment, and acceleration inside the ecosystem. The only question is, are you stepping inside the lane where luxury estate ownership is created or watching the top 1% move without you? You want to learn more about our off-market multifamily deal flow ecosystem powered by advanced AI technology. AI Mimi serves you inside. Welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group Session 36. Session 36 will be held on June 15th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. The theme will be Raising Capital with Ease of Market Multifamily Deal Matching, Capital Matching, One Single Check Policy. You are welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel, Christina Melody Group. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any new deal job, new business opportunity, and our ecosystem daily upgrade and update news. You are welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group every single day and celebrate with us together. Thank you and welcome.